Good late evening. I'm meteorologist David Keller here in the First Alert Weather Center. We've been watching severe weather late tonight, including a tornado warning for Barry County earlier this evening. The severe weather threat is beginning to wind down. We still do have a tornado watch until 2 a.m. for a few counties across the southeastern portion of the area, but I do think that watch is going to come to an end here pretty quickly, and the storms are really not on the severe side anymore. They're going to continue to move away from our region, and then we turn our attention to snow. It's snowing right now across central Kansas, and this area of snow is going to continue to trek to the east. And because of that, there are winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, and even blizzard warnings in effect for much of the Midwest. All this red-orange you see here across Nebraska, northern Missouri into Iowa, yeah, that is a blizzard warning. This storm is producing some heavy snow and strong winds. They're expecting 4 to 8, maybe 10 inches of snow in this area, along with that wind. So it's really going to be blowing around out there. Closer to home, we do have a winter weather advisory in effect for portions of our area from St. Clair, Benton, Pettis counties to the north. That is a winter weather advisory until noon on Thursday for a couple inches of snow, as well as that wind that'll be blowing the snow around. Along the I-44 corridor, no weather advisories, but we are still expecting at least some snow as we head through the day on Thursday. As this storm system pulls away, taking those thunderstorms with it, then we watch for this wraparound moisture. That's going to be areas of snow during the early morning hours on Thursday towards noon. I really think after noon the snow will be moving out of the area. Again, the accumulation is really going to be towards central Missouri or northern portions of our viewing area. 1 to 2 inches of snow possible up there. Closer to the I-44 corridor, I think we're going to see a dusting to ½ inch of snow at most. I don't think it's going to be a significant snow for us. Again, central Missouri 1 to 2 inches. Closer to Kansas City 2 to 4 inches. That's where the winter weather advisory is. So for the rest of the overnight, we got thunderstorms in the area right now. Those are going to be moving out. Then we'll transition to periods of snow. Some of it could be heavy at times, but it's just not going to be sticking because the ground is pretty warm after these rain we saw in temperatures close to 60 right now even. Those temperatures are going to be crashing though as we head towards the morning hours down to 31 degrees. Just about everywhere is going to be seeing those temperatures crash towards morning in the 50s. Quickly falling into the 30s, down to about 33 in Lebanon, 33 in Jeff City, 31 here in Springfield, 30 in Nevada. That's going to help that snow to start sticking, and we might see some ice on the roadways as well because they're very wet after the rain. And so with temperatures falling below freezing by morning, we might watch out for ice, especially on bridges and overpasses. Thursday afternoon, the rain leaves, but it's going to be very windy, very cold, temperatures in the 30s. And then we start to moderate towards the weekend, temperatures back into the 50s under sunshine. And then we have to turn our attention towards the Christmas holiday. There's another storm system beginning to show up. Might be more significant than this one even, with rain changing to snow somewhere in the area, and could be significant snow. So we'll continue to watch that as well as any more possible severe weather right here at Fox KRBK. Thanks for checking us out on foxkrbk.com.